Gorai district, which is 2 hours away from Bombay, and we have booked a very cool private pool villa. And it has the beautiful view of the valley, and it's called Sea View Soiree by Saffron Stays, and it takes 2 hours from Bombay. So it was a very long journey, and all Saffron Stays bungalows are very tough to find, and this was also very tough to find. It's like in between of the jungles now. And so yeah guys, we just reached our destination, and just have a look at the villa guys. Thank you.
In the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah.
This is the third floor of the bungalow, which has the most beautiful room, and you can see this clean, amazing room with these cool paintings, and the bathroom you see. Oh my god, the size of this bathroom is phenomenal. There's a shower, these are the changing rooms, and the view of this bathroom. It also has a private garden guys, and this balcony with trees moving, this greenery. Luckily we have network here, otherwise such bungalows never have good network. And it's going to be a great trip guys. I just can't wait to jump in the pool, and having a good pool in the villa is such a plus point to have fun for me and everyone. So guys, from the third floor you can see the pool villa, and I'm going to be sharing the room with my mom, and we have Mohan Bhai, and he's having a look at this villa. This is the garden I was talking about, and just have the look of the view. And if you can see behind me, that side, long way behind, that's the sea, and we might go to the beach for like a stroll or something, which is very nearby, and it's not even that expensive for a one night stay. And all thanks to my dad for booking this great villa, and this was very tough to find, but again, like good places are like very hard to find. That's the view. This villa also has a library here, and that's the sitting area, the balcony, the dining room, and I love these cool paintings over here. The three paintings, and this Dadi showing me the private pool which I just saw. And this trip is organized for her because she had not come out like from the home for a vacation since a very long time. And I love these benches, the view, the lake view. The beach is very nearby. I might go for a stroll as I told you. Like overall, this is a very great villa guys. Swimming pool behind me, the garden, everything looks phenomenal. I'm just having the time of my life, and it's a great villa guys. Just as I say, enjoy the vlog guys. We are going to play some card games, we are going to swim for a while, we are going to just have lunch now because it's lunchtime. I'm starving. The next trip I'm going to go to is Alibag, which is next week, and if you see that villa, you are going to fall in love with that villa guys. So just stay tuned for all the vlogs that are going to come. I'm not going to stop traveling guys. So guys, it's lunchtime and I'm having roti, palak paneer, mixed vegetable and dal with this crazy view. And I love these kind of benches where you make it with dry wood, and I don't think someone cut a tree to make this bench and desk. We were getting bored for a while because we had nothing to do, and we are waiting for my relatives Jatin Kaka and Neelam Kaki, and Mr. Bobby helped us get carom, and we'll play carom outside. And I'm waiting for everyone to just come in the pool and we'll just relax. The view, I'm sorry I keep showing you the view again and again, but I can't get enough of this view. I was asking these people here if that one and the bungalow over there are empty. So if I could maybe buy it someday for just enjoying on the weekends, because I'm very tired of Lonavala now. I can't bear Lonavala. It's getting too crowded and it's getting too much. Like the last 1 year I've been to Lonavala like 10 times. I'm not kidding, just 10 times. So yeah guys, enjoying this property now. Balcony of my room, and you can see some turf grass here where you can sit. The grass is a little wet because of some rains which were earlier, and behind me you can see the sea also, and the sea has a high tide. It's a very large balcony guys, and that's the bathroom behind me. The roads were a little bad to come here, but it's a very cool place. It's worth the journey. And this place is nearby Water Kingdom and SL World, so if you want a landmark, that is it. It's a fun trip, and the day is a little slow today, but just waiting to jump in the swimming pool. Whenever I see soft grass, I like to practice something which you will see next, so just guys have a look. Guys, I'm in the pool now and the water is not pretty cold, and it's like jumpable, but I'm waiting for everyone. I'm alone right now, and this guy's cleaning the leaves in the pool. I'm just gonna swim for a while and then gonna take a shower. So
pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done.
So guys, it's already night time and I'm done with my shower, and as you can see the room looks even better at night. And it was a very long shower because I was swimming for a long time. So yeah, it's dinner time now, and it's the end of day 1 today, and tomorrow is my last day, so stay tuned for tomorrow too. Thank you guys for watching the video, and please like, subscribe to my channel Travel Black Vlogs, and thank you for all the support always. Thank you guys.